Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT based smart home automation system with sensor node and a blynk application with email alerts for the low gas level. So here we are going to detect the gas levels with the help of this load sensor. So this is load sensor can measure up to 5 kgs. In real time we can place up to the 200 kgs of load cell, and that load cell interfaces to the microcontroller through this HX711, which one is converting the analog signal to the amplifier 20-bit amplifier. So that signal is read by the microcontroller continuously, and from there we are going to calibrate the weight. So if the weight is here demonstration, if the weight is less than 1 kg and greater than 0.3 kgs, then we are going to send the email alert to the register email ID as to book the gas cylinder. And the next we can control these home devices like LEDs and fan, and we can control the intensity of this LED as well as the fan intensity, speed. That will be controlled through this blynk application. So we have interfaced this blynk application to the microcontroller through this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and based on the conditions, the intensity of the light will be controlled through this BC547 transistor board. Same for the DC fan also, will be controlled through this BC547 transistor board. The supply voltage for this fan and lights is getting from this transformer, as operating voltage for these two is a 12 volts. For that purpose, we are going to provide the 230 volts AC input to this transformer, which will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, and that will be converted into the DC with help of this regulated power supply board, which has the rectifier stage and next filtration stage. After these two stages, we will get the constant 12 volts DC, and that will be controlled using PWM signals from the microcontroller from 9 and 10 pins to this transistor bases. So let us see the demonstration. So before on the kit, first of all we need to install the blynk IoT cloud application and log into that. So when we log in, we can see the controlling module, and this offline means the device is not connected to the internet. So we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So go to hotspot settings and change the hotspot name to project 5956 without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 129. So 123456789, and if it is shows the band, that should be 2.4 gigahertz. So on the data on the hotspots and log into the blynk application. Now on the power supply to the kit. So first power supply is for our LEDs, and next power supply is for our microcontroller. As we are using the two power supplies in order to, and the next step is we need to hold the controller till the device is online. So when the device is online, then only we can release the microcontroller to communicate between the blynk application and ESP node. So right now it is online. Now you can release the switch. Then the particular green LED will be on and off 2 times. And one more thing is, when we reset that, if any weight on this load cell, then it will entering into the tar mode, means that is going to be the 0 weight. So for example, if I place 1 kg weight on that, if I reset this microcontroller, then automatically the 1 kg also considered as a base weight on this load cell, then it will go into the 0. From there only it will take it as a 0 weight. Now click on this. So place it for 0, and next light intensity is controlling. Same for the fan. Right, so total 0, fan will be off. So provide the input slowly, don't go with any faster manner. Right, so coming to the load weight also, as we discussed, if it is below 1 kg and above 0.3 kgs, then only we can send a mail. So I'm increasing the weight. It stopped over there because slowly I increase. So now it is sending the mail alert to the registered email ID. Just keep on wait on that. When you increase the weight, right now it is weight increased, so slowly I am decreasing the weight. And let us check the mail alert. So email. Right, so we have the mail alerts from the project sender. So that mail consists of alert message along with how much of weight so-called gas cylinder was in kgs. So in this manner, we are going to send the mail alerts when the gas cylinder weight decreases the threshold value, and also we can control the home automation with intensity controlling. Right.